Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can install apps without requirement of Apple ID. So first of all, you have to remove your Face ID or Touch ID, for which you have to go to your settings. And after in here, scroll all the way down until you see the option of Face ID and passcode. Tap on it, then enter your passcode of your phone. After you've done that, here you can see there's the option of iTunes and App Store. You can simply just tap on it and disable it. Just like this, here you can see now the toggle button has been turned off. Now the second thing is to go to your content and privacy restrictions, for which go to the main settings and in here tap on screen time. After you've done that, now scroll down, then you can see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it. Then in here you can see you have to first of all enable this content and privacy restrictions option that you can see right here. If it is turned off like this, you can simply just tap on the toggle button and turn it on like that. After you've done that, you can tap on the option iTunes and App Store purchases, tap on it. And in here you can see under the required password, there's two different options, always require and don't require. Simply just tap on don't require and select this. So after you've done that, you can go back and then turn off your content and privacy restrictions by simply just tapping on the toggle button like this. Now your content and privacy restrictions is turned off. Now you can go back to your app store and try to download the app that you want. And then no other Face ID or your Touch ID or any of your Apple ID password will be required. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.